Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. This is the 2016, the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7465. Let's give you that virtual video walkaround as opposed just to staring at static photos. This, of course, is the FX4 Off-Road Packaged Edition. You've come to the right place for trucks, I'll tell you what, here at Sunset Ford. This truck has just over 24,000 miles and comes equipped with four-wheel disc brakes. This truck has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed for peace of mind driving. Does have navigation, as you can see. The leather interior is absolutely impeccable. Power seats, fully loaded. All options, just with over 24,000 miles on this 2016. It's going to be hard to find a truck with that low of miles with that year. She's not going to last long. For more info, give us a call, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.